Hey, I just want to do a quick video for installing, speakers. This is a 2019 Yamaha VX Cruiser HO, and of course, it doesn't come with speakers. And Yamaha want to charge, $300 to do what I did, and I got it off of YouTube. But I just wanted to show you what I did. I installed the diamond-shaped ram ball. I screwed in using 11/64 drill bit. As far as the screws go, on Amazon, I bought these assorted hex head screws, so you can, choose whatever screws that you want to fit in there. Plus, by they being hex head, they're easy to install. I put in washers. This is the side that I completed, and it's all secure. I'm pretty much working on this side. I got it screwed in. Again, this is the diamond hex ball. Then, of course, I got these speakers, the Exo Gear from Costco. It was $49. They sound great. Of course, I don't want to play any music because YouTube will have this thing. And what you do is you buy the extension and you put it on, and it holds it tight. And I mean, I play these all the time in the garage, but I'm planning on putting them on the Jetski to where I can have sound. They're Bluetooth and they pair. I have two of them, as you see. There's the other one, and they pair. Again, I just wanted to do a quick thing on it. Very easy to do, and I just have to tighten this one down. I got washers, an inch washer underneath, so when you tighten up, it won't crack the plastic. You're going to have to remove the seat. You're going to have to remove the little compartment here, so you can put your hand under there to put the screws on. Very easy, very simple. There's another YouTube video out there that, in fact, Yamaha has a video of how they install them. They just use a one ball thing, but I couldn't find the one ball that they drill the one hole. And so I decided to go with this. Very inexpensive. This is about, I think this was like $9. So that's $18. And then these things, you get two for $16. So, that's far less than paying $300 and some odd for the hardware and the speakers that Yamaha wants to charge. Again, that's just a quick overview of what I did. If you have any questions, send me a chat on YouTube, and I'll get right back with you. Thanks.